Good morning to all my dear students. Welcome back to maths class. Now, as we are thorough with the concept of prime factorization, now we need to know the concept of highest common factor. It can also be known as greatest common divisor, HCF and GCD. Now you can solve these sums based on HCF and GCD only if you are thorough with prime factorization. Now you have a pair of number 24 and 32. We prime factorize 24 and we get the factors as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. 32 you get it as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. Now when we arrange 25 and 32, compare them, we will find that 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, that means 2 is 3 times common in both the two numbers, and hence the highest common factor is 8. I repeat, 24 has prime factors 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. Well, 32, 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2. When we compare 34 and 32, we get the number 2 common 3 times. Hence, the HCF for 24 and 32 is 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2, which is equal to 8. Now, one more sum. Now we'll find the HCF of 3 numbers, 195, 312, 546. 195 can be written as 5 into 39. 39 is a composite number which is further splitted into prime form, that is 3 into 13. 312, it can be written as 4 into 78, which can be further split up as 2 into 39, and then 39 can be further split up as 3 into 13. 546 can be written as 2 into 273. 273 can be split up into 3 into 91, and 91 can be split up into 7 into 13. Now the common factors for all the three set of numbers is 3 and 13. 3 is common for all the three numbers and 13 is common for all the three numbers. HCF, that is the highest common factor, 3 multiplied by 13 is equal to 39. So 39 is the highest common factor for 195, 312 and 546. Another simple example to find the HCF of 10, 15 and 12. 10 can be written as 2 into 5, 15 can be written as 3 into 5 and 12 can be written as 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3. If you look at these three set of numbers, 10, 15, 12, none of the numbers are common except 1. Hence, the HCF of 10, 15 and 12 is 1. Now again we find the HCF of 60, 12 and 36. 60 can be written as 4 into 15. 4 and 15, none of them are prime factors. So 4 can be split up as 2 multiplied by 2 and 15 can be split up as 3 multiplied by 5. 12 can be written as 2 into 6. 6 is a composite number, so it can be written as further split up as 2 into 3. 36 can be written as 3 into 12, but 12 is a composite number. It needs to be split up as 3 into 4. 4 needs to be split up as 2 into 2. Now the HCF of 60, 12 and 36. 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 3, which is equal to 12. Now this what I have calculated is the horizontal arrangement. An example of vertical arrangement, it is just combining all the three set of numbers with the common factors and 2, 2 and 3. That means 2 into 2 into 3 is equal to 12. 12 is the HCF of 60, 12 and 36. Now all the concepts that we have studied, just to remember, if one of the given number is a divisor of all the others, then it is the HCF of the given numbers. If no prime number is a common divisor of all the given number, then 1 is their HCF because it is the only common divisor. Please note, 2 is the HCF of any two consecutive even numbers and 1 is the HCF of any two consecutive odd numbers. I hope I am clear with these concepts. I hope you have understood HCF and GCD. Stay at home and be safe. Thank you.